I want to welcome everyone to Global FX Radio's Market Wrap-Up Show YouTube. I'm your host, Andrew Spanton. Can you say Turnaround Tuesday? Oh, baby. What a day, what a day, what a day. What a doggone day. June the 16th, 2009. German Zoo, just a blowout. The euro dollar, again, completing this gorgeous, gorgeous looking head and shoulders. I just love it when I'm first to the party, you know. Not that I get any recognition for it whatsoever, but as you know, I've been talking about this head and shoulder developing over here, and sure enough, it's forming to perfection, banging up against it. As long as the euro dollar does not violate this downtrend channel line, we could bounce all the way up to 141. The euro is rolling the heck over. Bye-bye. But certainly the German Zoo might keep it going. I'm surprised Euro Sterling sold off late in the day. Again, I got to tell you, I've been in New York now for 6 days. I don't know why the hell I left Florida. It's a joke. It's been raining, cold. I'm sick. My setup sucks here. It's unbelievable. Every time I come back to New York, I know why. Listen, I grew up here. I love New York. You know, don't get me wrong. I have family, friends here, so you know it's nice to see everyone. But I gotta tell you, it sucks. Take me back to the Paradise City. You know what? All right. Euro dollar daily chart again. To me, looking like it's rolling over. We can see 135, but I would not be surprised to see a rally tonight. You know, let's look at the hourly real quick. Oh, I'm scared when I do this. Oh, look at that. Wow, nice. Hourly chart looks like, you know, we might grind a little bit higher. We might come up to this downtrend channel line. That's a 141. I don't know if we're going to get there, but we certainly could. I would say something maybe on the lines of, you know, maybe certainly 139.50, 140. I think we can converge over time of this week into this level maybe. But you see the head and shoulders, look, it looks the same thing on the hourly as it does on the daily. But nothing says we can't rally nicely. Again, U.S. numbers today were terrible, in my opinion. They're going to make big out of the new home sales, big deal. To me, the big numbers, the industrial production, capacity utilization, just horrendous. Disgusting. And now we got riots in the street in Iran. I got to tell you, I think that's a clandestine operation by the CIA. I think the U.S. is in there in full force, baby. So who knows what's going to happen there? You're going to have a revolution. I think it's a clandestine operation by the Western intelligence operations. Absolutely. Dollar yen, showed to you yesterday, it was broken, right? Didn't act well, reversed nicely, bye-bye. Now we're talking. Now look at that head and shoulders. Take a look at the dollar yen. Left shoulder, right shoulder, head. We never took out the par. Never took out the shoulder. Didn't even come close. Now this downtrend channel line is now violated. Now we're talking about this downtrend channel line. I would say tonight, dollar yen easily come down to 95.50. This baby's not done. We're definitely going to test 96. I hope we rally up to 97 so we get short. We had a great short this morning at 97.10. Wish I would have kept it a little bit longer. Didn't. But certainly carry trade worked well for us. Hey, listen, the rally, you know, in Asia last night, dollar rallied nicely. Could have had a nice trade there. You know, sterling took out previous day lows, came in over 100 pips. But what a big reversal day in sterling dollar, absolutely. Yeah, their inflation was a little bit better. Euro sterling couldn't get out of its own way, but certainly as a technician, this is very significant. Outside day, right? Took out previous day low, closing above previous day's open. That's kind of bullish. I'm looking to sell cable with the strength. I don't believe it's going to make it through. My little channel line here, the double top. We got nice data coming out tonight. I think, again, these U.S. numbers are just going to show more and more weakness. I don't like it. And I think that the stock market's going lower. Gold did make a little bit of a rally today, but it stalled and sold off. So, you know, oil was up, sold off a little bit. A lot of bond issuance coming out of London. So I would SOS, sell on strength, up against this whole, 165.50 level. Euro sterling. But again, if it takes out 166, baby, you got to be long. You got to be long. I just want to show the Australian dollar, certainly the relative strength loser. The Aussie dollar could not even rally as Euro and cable rallied today. Very surprising, especially with the strength of gold. But we got a nice little doji here. I got to tell you, I'm looking to buy this baby for a trade. Maybe get short. 81. Maybe take our previous day high rally and fail. But certainly the Aussie, if you want to be long, you got a nice little stop out point. Today's low. I'm looking to buy on pullbacks, depending on where it closes. Right now it's 3:22 p.m. As you know, the stock market's closing in the next 40 minutes, so a lot can change, as it does sometimes when I do it this early. That's why I don't like to do it that early. And this Euro sterling, I don't like the way this is closing. Any rallies, especially with that German zoo. Remember though, German IFO is much more important than the German zoo. So don't get sucked into it. But still, it's a big positive. Not going to deny that. And again, looking at this chart, terrible close. We're going to have a continuation. Cable, I think, shot the short at higher. We might buy it and sell it. Something like that. Something. But I'll tell you what, the carry trade certainly closing terrible. We got one more day left in the carry, people. Bang, bang, bang. I'm just sorry it didn't rally. Listen, it rallied, unfortunately. We got short in the U.S. session, believe it or not. That was incredible. And just a quick reminder, for those of you that are signed up to my service, they're not for some reason getting emails. I'm having trouble with my POP server, outgoing email on my Outlook. You are getting emails. Check your spam folder. If you've been sending me emails, check your spam folder. Global FX LLC at AOL. That is the email I am using while if I'm ever on vacation. I don't have to deal with the POP server. Crapola. Anyway, so check your spam folders for emails from me. I am emailing you back, but maybe you're not getting them. I don't know. Anyway, Euro Yen looks like it's going lower. Certainly down to the maybe 132, 132.80 level, 131.80 level. We'll see where we bottom out. I got a nice channel line, baby. Check it out. Bang. Look at that. Oh, babe. So I got a nice channel line support there. It's even a little bit lower. It looks like now it's 131, really. So it looks like we still got a nice amount of trading left on the downside of this sucker. Look where it is, people. It's come a long way in the last 4 months, hasn't it? So certainly to come in here, and we didn't get a turnaround Tuesday in the carry trade. We more or less got a turnaround Tuesday in the dollar. So sterling yen, let's take a look at that. Held up fairly well. If anything looks good, it's sterling yen. Aussie yen, Euro yen, all look terrible. I am selling this around the close, baby. Nice stop, taking our previous day high. Yes, it could be a hammer. And we have an hour and a half before the end of the day. Should this close higher than that? Should this close around 160? Hey, all bets are off. But this is more Euro sterling, cable being the relative strength winner, because when you look across around the room, Aussie yen, that's still like it's going lower. Definitely. Short. Take a look at Luna yen. Dollar Canada barely even reversed. Garvin's going to get stopped out soon. He's going to panic. Look at your channel lines, people. We're going to go down to these levels. Abso-freaking-lutely. Oh, baby. And last but not least, let's take a look at the Kiwi yen. Ooh. Can you say catch up? Catch up. Look at that, baby. We've only gone from 45, up to, 64. That's only a 40% increase. I think we're topping out. I think we're going to go into a summer range between like 55 and 65, something like that. But we topped out, people. Dollar index. Stock market looks like it topped out. It can't rally now. Let all the suckers try buying the dips from here. Dollar index. It's not a reversal to me. I think dollar index needs to close below 80, and then I'll be a little more nervous. Dollar index needs to close, really below 79.50, and then we're talking lower. Email, globalfxllc at AOL. My other audio, globalfxradio.com, and you can listen to my audio broadcast, as well as sign up for my premium service. Try me out for a week, baby. Another great day. Andrew Spanton, Global FX Radio, the only voice, 11 Forex that makes you money, baby. Have a good night.